Alright guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart today, found the carbonator new look 2026. This is really awesome. I like the way the skull looks on this. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Name: Carbonator Truck Type City, Strength and Notorious Pop, POP, Crash Attack, Sip and Smash, Carbonator on top. So it's Crocodile, Hot Wheels Fire Rescue, Roger Dodger, Silverback Attack. This one, Demo Derby, which I own. Nissan Skyline have it, the Fast and Furious, and Bigfoot, which I own. Here it is. Let's go to the unboxing. Ooh, okay. Here it is, the carbonator. Ooh, that's nice. Look at the purple. You know, that reminds me of the Liquid Death Skull. The drinks. Neon green tires. Tan colored rims and beadlocks. And then carbonator. The slime in the front of the soda. Pretty nice. Then the tan colored roll cage or beige color. The teeth are right there. Actual bottle opener. And then chrome chassis. It's a really cool one. I like the detail on this one, but this is the best one they've done so far with the design. We got two more to unbox, guys. Peace out.